City Commissioner Joe Carollo's federal case is dragging on, and we are getting new reaction as taxpayers are footing the bill. Local 10's Ian Margol is live in Miami with the latest developments. Ian.
Miami taxpayers have already paid nearly $2 million for Carollo's legal fees. And according to the city attorney, that is the law. And she's right. If he was acting as a commissioner, that is the law. However, the question remains, if he loses this case, if he's found to have been acting outside of his job description, who is going to be footing the bill?
I think he should pay it back if he loses it.
Joe Carollo, he do the best, for the city. That's what I think. That's my opinion.
Miami taxpayers are split. Some wishing Joe Carollo was paying for his own legal fees. Others thinking his defense should be funded by the public. The Miami commissioner is fighting a federal lawsuit filed by prominent businessmen Bill Fuller and Martin Pinilla, who say Carollo had a personal vendetta against them because they supported his political opponent in 2017 and then used his position in the city to harass them and destroy their reputations. Since the lawsuit was filed in 2018, Miami taxpayers have been footing the bill for Carollo's legal fees to the tune of nearly $2 million. Attorney David Weinstein, who is not affiliated with the case, explains that's because of a Florida Supreme Court case saying elected officials should be protected.
The defense that's been put forward by the commissioner is that he was doing these actions within the course of his duties as a city commissioner, and also that the legal fees connected with his defense should therefore be covered by the city of Miami.
But with legal fees continuing to pile up, the question is, if he loses the case, is the city still on the hook, or will the commissioner have to repay Miami residents?
If a jury has found he's not acting within the scope of his duties, then all of the case law that says he should have his legal fees paid for while in the course of his duties would no longer apply, and potentially he could be on the hook for legal fees.
So the answer, of course, is it depends. And here's the thing, even if he does lose this case, that doesn't mean it's over. It will be appealed, potentially all the way up to the U.S. Supreme Court. And in the meantime, that $1.9 million is only for legal fees up until this trial started. They are still piling up as we speak, as this trial drags on further, and Miami taxpayers will continue to pay for it. Live in Miami, I'm Ian Margol, Local 10 News.
It's quite the hefty price tag. Thank you, Ian.